Today we're looking at how to use Reels to drive bookings. This is the Cave Canterbury, and they want to drive bookings to their restaurant at the hotel. And what they've done is they have done what I would describe as that kind of food porn, if you like, or that M&S effect to create a reel to show off the stunning views of their food. So let's take a little look at it. So as you can see by that kind of M&S effect, so everybody knows what the M&S adverts are like, with that kind of, everything's all very luxurious, all of the food looks incredible. They've got the really soft-spoken voice, to kind of entice you in. And that is what people do with food on Instagram. And it's one of the best ways of selling food, if you like, or selling your experience. So they show the difference between their Sunday roast, if you like, and going anywhere else. And it clearly packs a punch, and it's all about framing. So when you're thinking about, showing off your food, how can you show it off like this? Show off the atmosphere, show off how delicious it is, what the experience is. And some of it is literally just by angles, by holding your phone over the food, as opposed to, like sort of just taking a picture from the side or anything like that. It really does just give it like extra sort of gravitas on social media.